to all. Today's discussion is mainly based on verbals. In English grammar, we can see 8 types of parts of speech. One of them is verb. There are different types of verbs like principal verb, auxiliary verb, transitive verb, intransitive verb, finite verb and non-finite verb. So today's discussion is mainly based on the discussion of non-finite verb. So what is non-finite verb? Student, you can write in your copy. A verb form that does not show tense is known as non-finite verb. They are infinitive forms with or without to, and this non-finite verb is also known as verbals. And in English grammar there are 3 types of verbals. First one is infinitive, second one is gerund and the last one is participles. So what is infinitives? Actually infinitives is formed by adding to, expressed or understood before the verb. And there are 2 types of infinitives. First one is simple infinitives, which is also known as noun infinitives. And the second one is qualifying infinitives, which is also known as gerundial infinitives. Next I am going to discuss with you about the simple infinitives. What is simple infinitives? Actually simple infinitives work as a noun in a sentence. So let me give you some examples. My first example is to walk is good for health. So in this sentence we can see to walk. So here walk is verb and before verb we can see want to. So to walk here is infinitives and here infinitive is used as a subject of a verb. So these infinitives will be simple or noun infinitives. So from this example we can see that noun infinitives is used as a subject of a verb. Okay, my second example is he likes to swim. So student, here we can see infinitives to swim and here infinitives is used as the object of a verb. So these infinitives will be noun infinitives. And the third example is he seems to be rich. So in this sentence we can see infinitives to be and here to be is used as a complement of a verb. So these infinitives will be noun infinitives. Okay, next sentence, he is about to die. So in this sentence we can see one preposition about and after about infinitive is placed and here infinitives is to die. So here infinitives is used as a prepositional object. So these infinitives will be noun infinitives. And the last example is to think that he would do so. After so you have to give one exclamation sign. And the second sentence is now and now what to do. After do you have to give one question mark. So student, in the first one we can see infinitives to think and after so we can see one exclamation sign. So here infinitives is used in absolutely in exclamation sentence and in second case we can see infinitives is used as a interrogation. So this type of infinitives will be noun infinitives.